In realms of thought, where dreams ignite, Neville's words a beacon bright. All things are possible, he proclaimed, a truth profound, our hearts untamed. Imagination's power, a boundless sea, can shape our world as we decree. With faith as our compass, we set sail to shores where miracles prevail. Like sculptors molding clay with care, we craft our lives beyond compare. Our thoughts, the chisel sharp and keen, transforming dreams to scenes serene. Yet doubt may linger, a nagging foe, whispering fears, casting shadows below. But we persist with unwavering trust. In the power within, we firmly adjust. For Neville's teachings, a guiding light, illuminate the path, shining bright. With every step, we grow bolder, stronger, embracing the truth we yearn no longer. So, let us ponder deep within what it takes to embody this kin, to live a life where all is possible, to soar on wings, untouchable. How can we apply these principles true to our daily lives, a vibrant hue? With open hearts and minds ablaze, we seek the answers in a mindful haze. Dear viewers, join us on this quest. Subscribe now and put your faith to the test. Discover the secrets hidden in plain sight to unlock your potential, shining bright. Together, we'll explore these realms profound, where dreams take flight and joy abounds. Let Neville's wisdom be our guiding star as we embark on this journey near and far.